All right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got a Supcase case here for my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now with this one here, you can see if I zoom in that this is the Unicorn Beetle grip and it's aramid. So aramid fiber case here. Packaging is pretty simple, like some of the newer packaging that they have. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Now while I'm taking this out, big thank you to Supcase for sending this out for review. They've been awesome to my channel over the years. Comes with an extended warranty, as you can see here as well. And here's the main attraction. So as it hints on the back of the box, aramid fiber. On Amazon right now, this is running around 60-ish bucks. So it's a high-end case, obviously, aramid fiber and all that, especially with Supcase and just this really nice rugged looking case. But if we look at the interior, one, you're going to see that obviously it has the MagSafe magnets to wirelessly charge. We do have some, pretty rugged interior here, reinforced corners as well, aramid fiber branding right here with the Supcase logo right there. And that's about it. But the interior is kind of like a smooth matte finish, so it's not suede or microfiber or anything like that. It's just a nice soft touch. So but let's go ahead and grab the S26 Ultra. Let's slap it on. And install is pretty dang simple, and that is it installed. So first things first, you're going to notice obviously the nice aramid fiber pattern here. So always a big fan of aramid fiber, feels good. I've always just liked the touch of aramid fiber. The other thing you're going to notice is that very rugged camera bump right here as well as far as the cutout. So it almost looks like it's a big cutout, but then you can see that division there. So you do get like that pill-shaped cutout for each, and they're nicely recessed in as well. So we've got some lip action going around those, so that way if you do put it back down on a surface, it's not going to mess anything up. Next, you're going to see Supcase branding up here, and then there is nothing here on the MagSafe portion other than just like these little high gloss black little pieces here. And if you notice, there's a hinge, and with this case you do have the ability to move this to have as a kickstand. Now here it does say military standard 870H-576. So it's drop tested. So obviously you got some hardcore drop protection with this. Now, one thing that I love about kickstands like this is that you're going to be able to do portrait mode, and you can kind of angle it up, so that way it's upright a little more, or if I wanted it a little lower for whatever reason, I could. And then of course, naturally I could do, landscape mode if I'm watching a video or something. Nice to have a built-in kickstand as well. So that is a big plus there. Now let's go ahead and take a peek here at the sides, and both sides are very similar. But as you can see, you got this grippy pattern here on the sides. This side obviously is going to have our buttons. So we have our volume up and down and our power button that are sticking out. So if you see that right there, you do find those pretty easily. And then if we look down here at the bottom, you're going to be able to see that it kind of continues on with that aramid fiber styling. It doesn't feel like it's genuine aramid fiber right here. So it's just kind of the look, if anything. But then if we go down, you're going to be able to see that one, we do have some cutouts here for a lanyard, but then we have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port. And then of course our speaker, microphones, all that good stuff. As far as an S Pen goes, we have easy access to the S Pen. Always just make sure you want to put it in right, but super simple there. Nice protection, nicely recessed in, it looks like as well. And then on this side, kind of the same thing. Like I said, grip, aramid fiber, styling. And then at the top, it's kind of interesting. So you got aramid fiber here, but then it's more of a black gloss here. So, I mean, I say black gloss, it's kind of matte finish, but it's all black. But that's the top-down view. Camera bump isn't terribly sticking out too much, so we'll see how that does with the wobble test. And then if we look at it from this angle, you're going to see that we do get some nice lip action going. I have a tempered glass screen protector installed, and it is nicely matching up against it, not giving me any issues at all. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So if we go face down, we have no shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, we got some shaking going on. If you hit the corner, it's definitely going to shake a lot more, but if you hit on the sides, it's still shaking. So it pretty much fails, but at the end of the day, guys, it's an S26 Ultra. Almost every single one of these that I've reviewed when it comes to a case shakes. I haven't come across one that's just fantastic. So is what it is. Now let's go and do the clicky button test. So power button, nice and clicky. And the volume up and down buttons are also clicky as well. So passes with flying colors. Now let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities. All right, so I got a MagSafe charger here, so we'll slap it on, and as you can see, boom, it is fast wireless charging, so it recognizes it with ease, and the magnet strength is pretty dang strong, so definitely getting some good magnet strength with this. Now, one thing I always point out with these type of hinged kickstands where the MagSafe charger is, you always just want to kind of pay attention to how you take it off. You can twist it off and that's a little bit easier, but just remember if you just start to pull it, it's going to move. So almost kind of go to the sides a little bit easier. But I have used this case before and it held up very nicely in my vehicle on a MagSafe mount on my dash, and it didn't fall off or anything like that. So you should be good to go. And that's the great thing about the MagSafe chargers is the ecosystem out there of just how many MagSafe chargers are out there for your home and vehicles. But there we have it, guys. There is the Unicorn Beetle grip case aramid fiber styling for the S26 Ultra. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I think it looks pretty sick. It's definitely a rugged case and, you know, a little thick, but not too thick, right? I mean, this is a big phone. But what I like is that it feels good on the sides and it doesn't feel too big. Now, granted, if it was like chunky like the corners, then that would be a different story, but you can kind of see how it goes in and then back out. So it makes it a little bit easier to grip. So not too shabby at all. So hit the like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content and be safe. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.